Well, mina ngikhule ngiqanda nje lasekhaya bakithi.
I've watched Fafa discipline your kids, and I think you're so soft. I think you're soft. And I think to myself, is it because maybe you experienced harsh discipline and you're like, I'm never doing that? No, manje beku soft ekhaya, and you know nothing else besides sitting down with the kid and having a conversation, Nengan.
Well, mina ngikhule ngiqanda nje lasekhaya bakithi. I was last born, so woke umuntu, even my siblings babengithathisa okweqanda. So from uma nobaba angaze abakazi bengishaya ngisho uma nobaba, my siblings as well. So I think that's why when it comes to my kids, nabo ngibuye ngihluleke ukuthetha cause angikubonanga lokho ngikhule ekhaya. Even kuma siblings wami uma nobaba babengakwenzi lokho to them as well. Baba abantu abakhuluma kahle with them. So yeah, angiyazi that harsh discipline ukuthi mhlawumbe bayashawa or siyashawa, asishawa ngathina ekhaya asikazi sishawe. So yeah.